If you're new to grilling or you're new to the Weber Kettle, there's some things you just got to know if you ever want to be considered a grill master. So we've already tackled burgers, ribeyes, and wings. Now we're moving on to ribs. Today we're doing beef back ribs. I have my Weber 22-inch kettle, the most popular charcoal grill in the entire world. Not just this grill, the brand and the model. Anyway, I have a chimney here filled 3/4 full with lumped charcoal. Let's get it lit. As always, to get this party started, all you need is a tumbleweed and a torch. We're gonna give those coals about 15 minutes to get prepared, and then we'll see you for the next step. The coals have been in the chimney for 15 minutes. Let's get them into the grill. For this cook, we're gonna be doing direct grilling with a twist. So I just need these right in the center of the grill grate. We want good smoke flavor on our beef back ribs, so I got a couple chunks here of Texas post oak. I'm gonna throw those right on top of the lumped charcoal. Now we get the grate in place. The bottom vents are about half open. I'm going to take the top vents, move them to about 1/4 open. What we want to do is heat up the grill and achieve a temperature around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So we'll give that about 10-15 minutes for the temperature to settle out. In the meantime, I'll go get the ribs and we'll get those prepped. What we have here is 2 slabs of beautiful beef back ribs. Now, this is charcoal grilling 101, so I'm not gonna use any crazy marinade. I'm not gonna use any crazy rub. We're gonna go nice and simple, just a good SPG based rub. I'm using John Henry's Mojave garlic pepper. So we get these seasoned up. Now these aren't real thick, you don't need to go crazy with it. Beef back ribs are the ribs that you find at the edge of your ribeye steaks. You want something more meaty, then you're gonna go with short ribs or plate ribs. But these beef back ribs, not only are they economical, they're freaking delicious. You know a ribeye's delicious, right? These are right next to them. Okay, those are all seasoned up, ready to go. As soon as the grill's heated up, we'll get them on. The grill's at temperature. I did have to shut down a little bit on these top vents, but that's okay. We're right about 300. Now let's get these ribs on. First thing you always want to do is spray your grates. Not only does it keep your food from sticking, it makes cleanup easier at the end. Using some spray beef Wagyu tallow. Now we're going to do direct cooking today, so if I put those ribs right on the grill right now, there's no way that they would not burn after 1 hour and 45 minutes. That's how long we're going to have them on. So I have this riser. We'll center that in the grill. We'll give it a spray also. And then our ribs go right on them. Now the lid goes on. I'm going to be mindful of where my vents are because right here, there's going to be a hot spot. So we want to make sure we get even cooking. Every 15 minutes, I'm going to rotate this 1/3 of the way around. That also will give me a chance to check the temperature to make sure we're still around 300 degrees where we want to be. 1 hour and 45 minutes of cooking, rotating the lid every 15 minutes, 1/3 of the way around. And yeah, that's it. That's how easy this is. Ribs are done resting. Now I have found the cutest carnivore I possibly could to give us judgment.
Very good. They don't even need sauce.
Yeah, typically I don't put sauce on beef ribs. That smoke flavor from the post oak come through.
Very good, yes.
All right, yeah. I don't think you can find a better wood than Texas post oak when you're doing beef ribs.
Nope, that's awesome.
All right, so before she gnaws through this and starts looking for another one, we'll close it up. So hey, thank you so much for joining us today. And until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.